Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Rowenta Compact Power Cyclonic Vacuum Cleaner. RO3731EA. Nee, 31EA. It comes with 750 watt EEK A. Bagless 1.5 liter capacity, highly efficient filter. In this case, it is in black, blue, and it has energy class A. Yeah, it comes with compact power, maximum input power 750 watt, energy class or energy efficiency classes A, annual energy consumption is 28 kilowatt hour. The type is a cylinder vacuum dust container, and it has a type of Bagless. Dust capacity is 1.5 liter. Dirt separating method is filtering. Cleaning type is dry. Proper use is at home. Cord length is 6.2 meters. The control type is with buttons, and the weight of the product is 6.38 kilogram. The wide is 270.2 millimeters, and the depth is 409.4 millimeters. And this is not so heavy. It is a medium heavy vacuum cleaner, and the size is tiny. It's not so big, really. And the power is 750 watt. This is a medium thing. I think, yeah, it's medium, but it is good. It is good for single housekeeping or households and for small families too. It has a pack storage assistant. It has an automatic cord rewinder. It has an on and off switch, and it has no turbo brush, no mini brush. I think these are not mini brushes. These are only additional brushes you can use for the car, for example. And the design type is a cylinder vacuum. Dust container is Bagless, and the dirt separating method is filtering. And this is nice because you do not need any more extra buy a different type of bags for this. You only have to empty the cylinder vacuum compartment inside, and it has the noise level is 78 decibel. Vacuum power is 20 kilopascal. The operating radius is 8.6 meters, and it has an air filtration stage quantity is 2. And this is enough for your home. In this case, there are additional parts to make a 90 degrees vacuum power too. This is the main thing. This is the adjusting able tube, which are you're using with your vacuum cleaner to clean the floor. Rowenta is a German manufacturer of small household appliances. And the history is Robert Ferdinand August Weintraub founded the Robert Weintraub GmbH and Co. KG in 1884. This is a long time ago, and trademarked the brand named Rowenta, an acronym of the company's full name, in December 1909. His family was based in Offenbach am Main. The company initially used the slogan "Muss heute ein Rowenta sein?" This is the slogan. Today it must be a Rowenta. In 05, this century, they introduced intelligent beauty. In 2014, they used the new slogan "Enjoy Technology." And here you can see the product introductions. 1919, an electric iron. 1926, the first electric coffee maker for restaurants. 1949, the first iron with a thermostat with ceramic heating elements. 1957, the first steam iron. This is nice. 1967, hair drying bonnet. 1971, the KG22 coffee maker. It is a Filtermatic. 1974, its first vacuum cleaner. Whoa. And 2001, the product was the first Bagless vacuum cleaner in Finland of Rowenta, not world's first Bagless vacuum cleaner, but in this company. That means since 2001, there are so many experience what they are made before with Bagless vacuum cleaners. So now the Bagless vacuum cleaner should be a good thing. So there is so many additional parts in this, but I will show you how to assemble them. It is so easy. You can switch between floor and different floor type of this vacuum bottom steam. Not steam, no steam. Only vacuum cleaner part, and only dip it in position, and then it's time to have some fun in the household. Oh, clean the floor, baby. The vacuum cleaner has no auto shut off. The energy efficiency class is A. Annual energy consumption is 28 kilowatt hours per year. And the noise level was 79 decibel. And there is so more additional parts. It's like a little tiny vacuum cleaning nose, as you can see. You can only push them onto the tube at the end, and then it's time to make a little bit of homework here at the PDUSP movie court. Yeah, nice and easy. Yeah. This is Bagless. Only cheaper way. Do not buy bags anymore. Rowenta Compact Power Cyclonic. Advanced cyclonic system, and it has no back. This is awesome. Yeah, and the price is not so hard. There is a gray and black model available too, and an orange black. The thing is the same. The inside is the same, but the colors are different. But I like the blue and the blue-black one most. So now you can see nearly all things are assembled now. And let's go and have a closer view of the assembling of the main tube. You have to push it in position and rotate it a little bit right, and then it fixes. Good job, now it's locked. And let's have a look how we can store the additional parts on the main Cyclonic vacuum cleaner. Only push in position, job's done. So easy it is for storage. Yeah, nice. It looks really future power. Awesome vacuum cleaner. Ooh. But I think there are so many plastic parts. Maybe it will not have a so long lifetime. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Dip it in position, and now the energy is there. Good job. Boah, saugt sich voll fest, Power vacuum. Soon. See you next time again. Thank you.